Hey guys, have you ever wanted to go back in time and play the older versions of Roblox with your friends? Well, in today's video, I am going to show you how to do that. I hope you have fun, stay to the end to see a little secret, and just have fun with your new Roblox game. Should I say older Roblox game? Before we get into it, I'd just like you to know that in older versions, around where my mouse is here, there will be an edit mode. Just click out of that to get into the game view. And in this one, press view, game layout. And that's about how you do it in all the versions where there isn't just an edit mode that you can unclick. Oh no! So, and of course I died. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is either download the stable release or the snapshot. I recommend the stable, but I want to test out what's in the snapshot. I just finished downloading the zip file. So basically just open your downloads folder. Take that to your desktop or wherever you want to drag it to and extract it by right-clicking on it and pressing Extract All. And then you could set custom path, but I'm just going to extract it into another folder that will be automatically created to your desktop by default. Alright, then once you're done doing that, you're going to want to open the folder that you just extracted. As you can see here, I do believe the default is different than the snapshot. Yeah, okay, so in here, as you can see, it's a little different. It looks more complicated, but it's really not. So just in a minute here, what you're going to need to do is just trust all of the apps. And I mean all of them. You need to run all the exe files. If you're using the snapshot version, I just like you to know that it's the data folder where all of the other files that are in the stable release are in. But as you can see, what I just did is I trusted the bootstrapper, which you should do first. Then basically just run all of the exe files, all of the application files. Just run all of them. Every single one. So you're just going to want to either look for them in the folders or in the top. Just search for it. I'm just going to search for it because that's easier. But before you do any of that, you need to install the dependencies. By default, it's just a bat file, and the other one, they made their own app for the snapshot. First, I'm going to do the bat file because most of you guys, I would assume, are going to use the stable release. Then, as you can see here, we have all these options. You need to install these in order because you won't be able to install older versions because it's going to try to mostly override it. And also, this part right here, that's only for the N editions. And most of you guys are probably just going to have the home edition, which means you won't need to do that. But as I was saying, install all of these in order by just typing in the number you want to install. Okay, all of that you just heard is a voiceover because I forgot to turn on my mic. But you probably do just have the Windows Home Edition because that's what most come with. Like, if you go to your system settings, and then go to System, and then navigate to About, and then find, over here you can see what edition you're on. If it says N, you need to install the Windows Media Features Pack. If it says Home, which it probably will, you do not need to download the Media Features Pack. Once you've installed all of these in order, because it won't let you install an older version of the .NET framework after you've installed a newer version. Also, you may get this error that says it's already a part of this operating system, which I think, because it's a Microsoft tool in Windows 11, I think it might come with the .NET Framework 4.0. The 2.0 framework installs really quickly and doesn't even open any installers. But basically, after you've installed all of these by typing the number you would like, just press 7 to exit. And then you see if I run the bootstrapper, it won't ask me to approve it again. Press play Novetus. You see, I already trusted it. But if I install the dependencies on the snapshot, which I'm going to show you how to do right here. Here, click Next, then click Install, and then it's going to install everything. Here it's going to say, please install the Media Features Pack. But that doesn't matter if you're not on one of the Windows N editions. Just press Next, and then press Finish. But then if I find the actual Novetus bootstrapper app and press play Novetus. Oh, what the? Hold on. Data. Oh, okay, I see. It was trying to run the default Novetus exe. But what you're going to need to do is run it yourself, press more info, press run anyway. And basically run all of the exe files and trust them. For the Novetus URI, you need to install that by running it as an administrator. It's more info, run anyway. Then click yes. Or put in the password if you're not an administrator. Press install URI and user agent and it will install it. Then after you're sure that you don't have any more exe files for the base, you need to run the client exe files. So inside the data folder, or if you're just using the default one, just go to clients. And then you should see a bunch of these options. The snapshot comes with more options. The default one only comes with some options. But here, I already trusted these. So it's the same for both of them. Doesn't matter if you're in the snapshot or not. Go here, open the folder, run all the clients, run all of them. You may get like a script error or something. Alright, so just make sure you just keep clicking yes. Yes, 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 yes. Not all of the clients have this, especially if you're just using the stable release. But just keep clicking yes. Yes, 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 yes. Over and over and over. You may need to do this every single time you launch it, but basically just trust all of them. Hit yes if it's one of the really older versions and you're not using a stable release. And just keep going and going and going. Alright, then once you've trusted all the apps and installed the URI and dependencies, just launch the Novetus bootstrapper. Press play Novetus. And then it will launch Novetus. You can host a server by clicking server, and then you'll see these host options. By default, in the stable release, there is no host tab. In the snapshot, there is a host tab. In the stable release, you just press server, and then the host settings pop up. But basically, just select a map you would like to try, and then either host a server or just press play solo. After selecting your version, obviously. If you're hosting a server, you're going to want to press allow. I think I accidentally hosted a server, but that's fine. Okay, as you can see, I am loaded in. And if someone were to be nearby, they could join me. If while you're playing Novetus, you found an old Roblox map on the internet that you would like to import, all you gotta do is press add place and then select the place file. But basically, I'm in fully working classic Roblox. I fixed all the errors. Thank you guys for watching. But if you would like to join this cool Discord server that has a history of a bunch of old Roblox maps, then I totally 100% recommend using them. Because sometimes there's just not going to be every map you want in Novetus, but you may have heard what I told you at the beginning of the video, which is that I would show you a secret. I don't know if it's in the Novetus beta files, but I know it's in the default ones. Let's pull up the secret for you to see. So in your Novetus folder, hold on, I just need to remember where it is. Oh, here we go. Okay, so basically, what you're gonna want to do is go to bin, and then go to data, and then in here, you will see this app, Roblox Legacy Place Converter. If you open it, this is a little secret in here that lets you convert your old places to, this is a little secret that lets you convert your new places to old places. Just browse and find the place file that you're trying to find, put it in there, and then you can convert it into one that works with the older versions. There's also this, but I don't actually know what this does. But yeah, that's everything you need to know about Novetus. And have fun playing your old Roblox. Join me in my next video to see the easiest way to install mods on your Minecraft Java Edition client.